Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Shein application from your smartphone. So let's get started right away. If you don't wish to use the Shein application anymore and you want to delete it, then the simplest way to do this is to long press on the Shein application until you see the uninstall option. Go ahead and tap on this and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to proceed with uninstalling this app. Tap on the confirm button. And now the Shein application will be uninstalled right away. Alternatively, you can open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store depending on your device and then tap on the search box and then search for the Shein application. Once you find Shein, go ahead and tap on it and you will see the uninstall button. Tap on uninstall and this will begin the uninstallation of the Shein application right away. Once the uninstallation is completed, you will not see the Shein application on your device anymore. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete the Shein application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.